Hello students of 9th class. In this video we shall study civics. Chapter 1, our constitution. So we need to study only the definition of the constitution, date of adoption, when it was adopted, date of enforcement, when it was enforced, and its significance. So first of all, let's know the meaning of constitution, definition. The constitution is a comprehensive document containing the set of rules according to which the government of the country runs. So, every country has a constitution, every institution has a constitution. So, in our country also, there is a written constitution. In most of the country, it is a oral or verbal constitution. But we have the lengthiest, the bulkiest written constitution in India. It regulates the position and powers of three organs of the government: the legislative, that is law-making body; the executive, that is the president, prime minister, and the council of ministers, those who implement the law; and then the judiciary protects the law. So three types of governments are there, and states how they are interrelated. So we follow federal system. That means central government has its own power and the state government has its own power. So these powers are drawn from the constitution. It assumes special importance as the moderates relations between the government and the governed. Governed means the people. Further, it protects the interest of the citizens by restraining the government by taking arbitrary decisions. That means government cannot do and run the government according to govern the country according to their own whims and fancy. Constitution has given very strict guidelines for the governments to rule over the people. They cannot go against the fundamental rights of the people. The aim of Constitution of Nation is to ensure a smooth governance for the welfare of its citizens. So students, how it enacted? We have studied in freedom movement India that the cabinet mission arrived in India. So from England, new cabinet mission was sent in 1945 after the World War. And they negotiated with our leaders how to make the constitution. So, one of these proposals involved setting up of Constituent Assembly whose members were to be elected indirectly by the provincial legislative assemblies. So that constitution, its laws, its bills could be discussed properly. So election to the provincial assembly were held in July 1946. The princely states, that means those who are under the kings, represented by the members nominated by the rulers of these states. So how it was formed, Constituent Assembly, how it was formed? Constituent Assembly means like today we have parliament. Every bill is discussed and then it becomes act and then it is written in the constitution and it becomes law. So for that there is a body. And this constituent is also known as the mini India, because in every corner, in every section of the society, there were representatives. The first sitting of the Constituent Assembly was held on December 1946. And the Muslim League boycotted the Constituent Assembly because they demanded creation of Pakistan.